I have received like 9 hours 3 minutes screen on time. You can see all the scratches and the dent on the guy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have been using this iPhone 17 for past couple of days and I'm gonna share you my user experience on this. And I have been using this as my primary device. So watch till end of the video to know how exactly it was working. So I have added a new case and tempered. So I have added a tempered glass on top of this and it's really looking good. And I have added a case as well, a transparent case, and it's also looking good. So this is the iPhone that I'm using, and this is my primary phone. As I said, I have installed all the apps that I'm using on day-to-day basis, and I have even signed into all the applications. So it's like a heavy usage. So first let me start with the battery life. So if we go to the battery life, actually, so I charged it to 90%. I didn't go all the way to 100%, so I charged it to 90% and I took it around like 5:51 a.m. in the morning. As you can see, I have like 3% right now. And here we can see that if I go to battery usage, I have received like 9 hours 3 minutes screen on time. Like, it's really great actually. Compared to my old iPhone, I'm receiving like SOT of 9 hours 3 minutes, 9 hours plus, and still it has like 3%. So, and it's not like a very minimal usage. As you can see, like I've been using it for calls, fully on calls, and I'm using cellular as well. Like I've been on call for 3 hours, and like I've been playing games, multiple games. So it's not a normal usage. This is on a heavy usage, I'm telling. So you are still getting 9 hours screen on time. That's not bad at all. It's really good. If you are planning to travel and you are looking for a phone that like lasts for a day, this phone will definitely be the choice, because after using it that intensely, like I'm like now the time is 6:30. It's nearly like in the late evening. So you can nearly, like, you can just take this phone and just walk out and you'll still have charge for the entire day. So this battery wise, I would say like thumbs up, and it's really good. So I'm coming from iPhone 14 Pro, so compared to that, this has a very good battery life, because I used to charge my iPhone 14 Pro like twice a day. So this is like way better than that actually. So in terms of battery, it's really good. And on a regular day-to-day usage, I would say the performance wise, I haven't seen any lag. It's really smooth actually. We can't even say that this is a base model of the iPhone. This is like looking like a pro model of iPhone. Because of this 120 hertz, it's actually really good, and every single detail are very crisp actually. And this is actually very good display, because I'm coming from pro model, and if we had a 60 hertz, definitely I would have noticed something, but this is having again the same 120 hertz. So display wise, it's excellent, and performance also no issues at all, no lags. It's really good and smooth as well. So the performance wise also, you will not face any issues. As you know, like iPhone, you will not find major performance related issues, no matter how old your phone is. It can be 2 3 4 years of phones, you will not find anything on that. And for me, the new thing is the action button and the camera one. So that is a something new upgrade for me, including the type C what I have here. So since I'm coming from iPhone 14 Pro, type C and these three things are like pretty new to me, and I've been using it. And this silent button is something, it was simpler in iPhone 14 Pro. I would prefer that. This is not my personal preference, I would say. And the action camera, like this camera button what we have here, this is something, like I haven't used it till date. I took lots of photos, but I am fully used to using this actual button what we have in the center. I have not even used this once, so I'm not sure whether will I be using it going forward, but this is something I have not used it. And moving, like in terms of camera, actually a decent upgrade, a good camera upgrade. So as you can see here, we have this car here, and let me go, we have this macro enabled, and if I go with 2x and then 1x and then 0.5x, so here we can see that the quality is very good actually. Even the 0.5 is giving you a better quality, and I'm like I'm just taking this in the evening, so just think how dull it will be, but it is giving me very good quality. Even it's showing me the dust also. So and let me go to, this is the 1x, So 1x is also very good. So quality detailings are very good, and the same goes for the 2x. As you can see, 2x is also the same. So color accuracy is also very good actually. So the color what you see here is exactly the same what I am looking here. So no issues with that. So the color accuracy is also very good here. So let me go with this yellow car. So let's take this also. 1x, 2x. So we can see here this is 2x. So the detailing is very good actually. You can see all the scratches and the dent on the car. It's really in a very bad shape, but you can see all the details here. And this is 1x. Again, every single detail is very good here. So very good detailing, and the camera is a very good camera. And so this is the update on the camera part. So camera is also very good. I'm using it for 2 days. So compared to my previous phone, I would say like I'm not noticing any big of changes, but clarity and detailing wise, it has improved a lot actually. And the major update is on the selfie. So selfie, I have not taken any selfie photos as such to show, but considering the quality is really good compared to my previous one. It has a very good detailing in the selfie actually. Apart from that, on a day-to-day usage, it's really good. So let me know in the comments below if you're looking for any specific reviews.